Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your RHB credit card. To cancel your RHB credit card, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in rhbgroup.com and search. Doing this will take you to this official website. In order to cancel your credit card for RHB, first of all, go to the upper right corner and click on the contact icon. Doing this will bring you up to this list of contact information that you can use in order to contact the customer service representative. Simply go ahead and call on the number displayed at the top and speak to a representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card and follow through the instruction they have to provide. Another way you can cancel your credit card by sending email to the customer service. Go ahead and send an email stating that you'd like to cancel your credit card and send it to this email address and wait for a message from their end. If you want to do it personally, then you can also visit the RHB branches and speak to a customer service representative that you'd like to delete your credit card. So that was how you will be able to cancel your credit card for RHB. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.